Welcome to another CAAN Tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're diving into how to protect your garden from pests using the right fencing solutions. Problem 1. Small animals, rabbits, groundhogs, and even stray cats can wreak havoc on your garden. Install a mesh or chicken wire fence with small openings. Ensure it's buried at least 6 inches into the ground to prevent burrowing pests from sneaking underneath. Problem 2. Larger animals like deer. A standard garden fence may not deter them. Opt for a tall fence, at least 8 feet high, to keep deer at bay. For added protection, consider angled tops to make it harder for them to jump over. Problem 3. Birds. They love your berries and other fruits just as much as you do. Use lightweight netting or a bird-specific fence to shield your crops while allowing sunlight and water to pass through. Problem 4. Climbers like squirrels. They're persistent and clever. Install smooth metal fencing or add baffle collars to your fence posts to prevent them from climbing over. Lastly, maintenance and tips. Regularly inspect your fence for gaps or damage. Pests are quick to exploit weak spots, so stay one step ahead. Let's recap. Mesh fences for small animals. Tall fences for deer. Netting for birds. Smooth metal and barriers for climbers. Your garden should be a source of joy and sustenance, not a buffet for unwanted guests. Invest in the right barriers, and watch your garden flourish season after season. With these tips, your garden can thrive pest-free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.